Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today is my first cooking vlog on this channel and I'm sharing my lunch routine on a Wednesday afternoon. For the lunch, my menu was an instant quick ghee rice and to serve along with it a mixed veg dal tadka and a simple chicken masala recipe. So let's start. To make the mixed veg dal, I am adding 1/4 cup of moong dal and half cup of masoor dal. Adding water to wash this well. And then soaking this for about 15 minutes. While the dal is soaking, roughly chopping 1 onion, 2 green chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, handful of fresh coriander leaves, I have some freshly cleaned and washed cabbage leaves, chopping them too. Adding a small piece of capsicum, 1 small carrot, peel the skin and cut it into thin slices. And 2 tomatoes, which I'm chopping them roughly. Adding all these ingredients into a pressure cooker and giving a good mix. Now I'm adding the soaked dal, salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds and giving this a mix once again. Adding 2 cups of hot water, give a good mix and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the cooker once the pressure is released. Add half cup water and whisk to soften the dal and the veggies. Adding more water to adjust the consistency. For the tadka, I'm heating a pan. Add some oil and once hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. 2 red chilies, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, half sliced onion. Fry the onion till it turns dark brown. Once done, add this to the dal and mix well. Add hot water to adjust the consistency, half teaspoon of tamarind paste and salt if needed. Mix well and allow it to get a good boil. Garnish the dal with some fried onions. I'm starting with making the rice. Here, into an instant pot vessel, adding 2 cups of rice. This is normal rice. Wash it well 3 to 4 times. Now I'm adding salt, 4 cups of water, one tablespoon ghee, 2 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon, few mint leaves. Cook this till done. Our instant ghee rice is also ready. So let's serve the ghee rice. Garnish the ghee rice with some fried onions and mint leaves. Let's start making the chicken. In a heated and greased pan, adding the meat on bone chicken pieces. Here I have taken 250 grams of chicken, frying them on high heat on both the sides till the color changes to slightly pinkish. Add a little water to cook the chicken. 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Some salt to taste. Now cover and cook the chicken for 8 minutes. Here I am cooking the chicken till it's only 90% done. Once the chicken is 3/4 cooked, transferring it into a bowl along with the stock. Now into the same pan, heat a little oil and once it's hot, add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped chili and fry till the garlic turns brown. Now add the finely chopped 1 onion and saute till soft. Once the onions have turned soft, I am adding 2 teaspoons full of store-bought tomato paste and frying this till the oil separates. To add some tanginess, in goes 2 teaspoons of curd. Mix well and let the curd cook well for a minute. Now add the chicken pieces and coat them well with the tomato curd mixture. Once coated, add the stock, give a mix Now add a big pinch of pepper powder, few coriander leaves and salt to taste. Mix everything well and cook covered on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, the chicken is soft. You can see a lot of oil has released. Do not worry, we'll separate the oil before serving. For this, stir fry on high flame for 1 minute. All the masala will coat the chicken well, leaving the oil aside. Now this is done. Do not forget to squeeze some few drops of lemon juice and garnish the chicken with some lemon slices. That's all in today's video. This was my Wednesday lunch routine. If you tried any of these recipes, comment below and let me know your feedback. For more such vlogs, stay connected by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. See you soon on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.